Good morning everybody. How are you? Fine? Very good. Previous day we have discussed about shell as a basic concept of life. But today we are discuss about cell cycle. This is the structure of cell cycle. What is cell cycle? The cell cycle is the sequence of events. Sequence of events that occurs between cell formation and cell division is called cell cycle. This is the structure of cell cycle, and this is the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and the mitosis, and whole phase completely called cell cycle. So that is the cell formation. Cell growth means cell formation, and cell division, that is the mitosis. So both are commonly called cell cycle. The next point, generation time. The duration of one cell cycle. This is the one cell cycle. So the duration of one cell cycle is called generation period or generation time. The next point, phases of cell cycle. A cell cycle consists of two main phases. Number one, interphase, and number two, mitotic or mitosis or M phase. Interphase is non-dividing phase, but mitosis dividing phase. In interphase, 80 to 90% of the time is taken in interphase. 80 to 90% of the time is taken in interphase. In this diagram, up to this G2 phase complete, S phase complete, and G2 phase up to this. This is the interphase. This phase categorized into three main phases. Number one, G1 phase. G for growth. Here write down. G for growth. Growth 1 phase. This phase is the active growth phase. In this phase, metabolic activity and centriole replicates. This phase found about 11 hours. Then second, S phase. S for synthesis. That is the synthesis phase. In this phase, DNA synthesis and histone protein synthesis is found. Then third phase, G2 phase. G2 phase. It is also called second growth phase. In this phase, cell growth and final preparation for cell division. And final preparation for cell division. So that is called the G2 or growth 2 phase. One scientist, Howard and Paley, in 1953 divided the cell cycle into 4 phases: G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and M phase. The scientist is Howard and Paley in 1953. So that is the interphase. The next phase, mitotic or mitosis or M phase. 10 to 20% time is taken in mitosis cell division. In this diagram, this is the mitosis cell division. This mitosis cell division divided into 2 phases. One is karyokinesis and second is cytokinesis. So here, mitotic division is dividing phase. It means cell divided. Here, this is divided into 2 phases. Number 1, karyokinesis, and number 2, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is composed to what? Karyo and kinesis. Karyo means nucleus and kinesis means division. So, division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. Second part, cytokinesis. It is composed two words, cyto and kinesis. Cyto means cytoplasm. Kinesis means division. So, division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. In this diagram, this is the mitosis. This mitosis divided karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Here, karyokinesis divided into number 1 prophase, number 2 metaphase, number 3 anaphase and number 4 telophase. So this karyokinesis is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. During the time period of the telophase, cytokinesis also found. Cytokinesis also found. And during that time, after the telophase, if two daughter cells form, during that time, cytoplasm divided into two daughter cells. And that phase is the mitosis. So this phase and this mitosis division elaborately discuss next video. Thank you. Bye bye.